Hi everyone, welcome back. So since long we are talking about this admin REST APIs, the the big person in the screen, right? We have been talking about this Helix admin, which has lots of REST-based services, right? So we'll talk about few of the services. Um, First one is the preview service. What it does. So what it does is we have the content. It generates the markdown of that content. We'll talk about it. Sorry, I will create a separate video for it. uh, what is markdown. So content first, this API will generate the markdown of the content, and then we'll put it in the content bus, and there will be a separate bucket of it. uh, I think it's bucket, and we are calling it as preview partition. So the content, because it's a preview, it's not actually live, it's preview. So the generated markdown will be put in the preview partition there, and a URL will be formed, and the same will be returned, because for preview also we want to have the URL so that author can preview the content, right? And once the author is actually publishing it, then what will happen, it's just that API just copies the content from the preview partition to the live partition. So the markdown is already generated, it's just from copying from the preview partition to live partition, and again the publish URL will be returned. Okay, and then we have other services also. The cache one, it clears the outer CDN cache. Okay, index triggers a re-indexing of the content bus, and there are actually APIs available. If you see this documentation, which Adobe has already documented, I have also taken from documentation only. So there are APIs available, that status API, publish API, preview API, code API, cache API, index API, blah, so many APIs, authentication, etc. Maybe I'll create a separate video which will cover all APIs. Maybe in the walkthrough section, I will try to create a video in which I will explain all of these REST-based APIs. But so far to understand is this big guy here, which is sitting here, is having lots of REST APIs, and which is responsible to push this data to either of the preview environment or the publish environment. Thank you so much for watching.